The following tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Columbus, Ohio, Alexa Bliss.
In a match such as this, you must not only look out for yourself, but also for your partner at all times. The team that does that the best will be the victor.
For somebody that's only been in the ring once, you really sound smart, Cole. I don't know too many divas that can go toe-to-toe with this one.
And her partner, from parts unknown, the hardcore icon, Mickie James.
Well, hopefully you have a cellar in your house at home, because we have an F5 of a tornado tag match coming your way.
Yeah, this should test the walls of this arena.
Buffalo, you better be ready. This match is going to be insane.
And their opponents, Paige and Becky Lynch.
Paige looking very confident as she makes her way to the ring for action.
Yeah, she really carries herself like an accomplished veteran.
Now look at this.
Uh-oh, here we go.
We knew this could happen.
Oh, you knew, Cole?
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
Look at her here. She's just reveling the opportunity to make a mockery of her opponent.
Oh, I love it when she gets this kind of attitude.
That stop might have only lasted a second, but it's going to be felt tomorrow.
That may be felt for a lifetime.
And she's going right after her neck now. What's your analysis of Becky Lynch? We know she can compete, but how is she going to actually win this thing?
We have divas in the ring here that have the time, the tools, and the talent to tear things up.
Sorry, Michael. What did you say? You do know there's a divas match going on right now, huh? Right on the nose.
She's starting to take a beating. She might just be a little overwhelmed by the tornado tag team atmosphere.
Don't discount her, Michael. She is absolutely one of the most dangerous divas around today.
Agreed. And these women have been pretty evenly matched thus far.
A wild overhead punch wreaking havoc in here.
No kidding. That shot came out of nowhere.
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
The ring may not be big enough for what's about to unfold here.
Are you kidding me? This entire arena may not be big enough.
She's on the defensive now. When she agreed to this match, she knew this wasn't going to be easy.
You could say that again, Michael, but you have to think if she can control the action outside the ring, she'll be in good shape.
I don't know about you two, but I'd be a whole heck of a lot more comfortable if she kept the action inside the ring. There doesn't seem to be any slowing her down now. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all the...
Oh, my. Get the medics down here.
Oh, Michael, look at this move. What's she going for here? I'm not sure I can watch this.
Slowly back to her feet. My God, what brutality. This match is going from bad to worse.
You said it, Cole. Uh-oh. Look at this. Oh, boy.
What does Alexa Bliss need to do now? Her hopes of winning this match may very well be in jeopardy.
Hey, she came to this match knowing it wasn't going to be tiddlywinks.
Oh, man. This women's match is about as evenly fought as you'll ever see. Oh, Becky Lynch going in.
The head has taken tremendous punishment here tonight.
This may be turning into a brawl, King.
Yeah, just don't bring it over here.
You can see the confidence just beaming from her right now.
King, once you get outside the ring, anything can happen.
Yeah, and it usually does. Over the years, I've seen more...
And there's another smack.
Man, that wasn't your average leg drop. What force! Oh, man, that elbow will knock you.
With this kind of attack, you have to wonder just how much longer they can compete in this match.
Yeah, I completely agree. The way things are going in there, I'd say not much longer. My gosh, this is a beating.
Might have to eat intravenously after that assault.
Yeah, and he might need an IV, too. Becky Lynch putting it on her right now.
She appears to be extra slow regaining her base. Oh, horrible mistake there.
Whoa, I think that one made the entire building shake. Just think of what that will do to your body. No thanks. I'm retired.
She's on an absolute tear right now. Oh, Michael, look at this move. What's she going for here?
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
Oh, man, someone's got to stop this. Ferocity like this is in its own category. You don't launch an offensive like this unless your objective is to incapacitate your opponent.
This match has taken so much out of her.
Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big. Uh-oh. Look at this. Oh, boy.
And this has got to be it.
It's it. It's over.
Oh, look out. She missed her target that time.
Yeah, I guess you could say she was just a bit off the mark with that one. She's got her.
And she slaps on the submission. Will this be it? Whoa! And she fights her way out.
You got to move quicker than that.
I think she's trying to prove a point here. Look at this. We know this move.
I think this is going to be called the clover leaf. Look at this. It's locked in.
The pressure's too much. They tap.
Here are your winners, Paige and Becky Lynch.
Huge victory here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
I got to be honest. I wasn't expecting these two to work so well together under Tornado Tag Team rules. It's very impressive.
Yeah, you can bet they're going to be talking about this match for quite some time.